Welcome to the deep dive. We aim to cut through the noise, get you straight to the insights that matter. Today, we're diving into something pretty significant in the 3D printing world. It involves Anker's EufyMake brand. Our mission really is to understand why such a well-known brand, Anker, is apparently stepping back from this key market. And crucially, what does that actually mean for you, the consumer?
Yeah, so our main source here is an article from Tom's Hardware. It just came out July 27, 2025. The title is Anker's EufyMake Retreats from 3D Printer Market Blames Critical Component Supply Chain Issues. It's by Ash Hill. Okay, so this is kind of big news, right? It's a bit surprising for many, I think. The bottom line is Anker, the brand we know for chargers, power banks, all that reliable tech. They're reportedly pulling their EufyMake 3D printers off the market. So let's really try and unpack why and what it means. Specifically, the products we're talking about are their main FDM3 printers. It's the filament kind, the AnkerMake M5 and the AnkerMake M5C. The article says these are just gone, no longer available for sale.
Which is quite an abrupt stop for printers that, made a decent splash.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here, though, is that the 3D printing market itself is incredibly dynamic. It really is. We see companies jump in and out all the time. It's driven by really rapid innovation, intense competition. It's just one of those tech spaces that moves incredibly fast. Staying ahead, or even just keeping up, takes constant effort.
Right. And the official reason Anker gave for pulling back, it seems pretty specific. Anker spokesperson Brett White confirmed this in an interview shared by The Verge. They're pointing directly at supply chain problems, critical component shortages, apparently making it impossible for them to reliably get the parts they need.
And if you connect that to the bigger picture, it really does highlight how fragile global manufacturing can be sometimes. Especially for tech like 3D printers, it's evolving so quickly. Their reliance on very specialized, maybe even single-source components.
Well, it means even a big player like Anker isn't immune. Not when, just one crucial part suddenly becomes hard to get. It really shows how innovation can get tripped up by these hidden dependencies. That is a good point. But still, for a company the size of Anker, you'd think they might have, diversified their sourcing or anticipated this kind of bottleneck, especially for what they were marketing as flagship products. Is it really just the supply chain, or could there be maybe something else going on?
That's a fair question to ask. I mean, according to the reporting we have, the issue is pinned on very specific components they just couldn't secure reliably. So while you could speculate about market saturation or competition, the official line focuses squarely on these parts. It suggests it's less about people not wanting 3D printers and more about the challenge of actually building their specific machines right now.
Okay, so then what does this mean if you already own an AnkerMake M5 or M5C? Well, the news isn't great. These printers are basically on an indefinite pause, a hiatus. And it's not just the printers themselves. Getting critical replacement parts and accessories is also going to be an issue. Yeah, it gets a bit messy with the parts situation. Brett White, the spokesperson, did say some accessories will still be available, but they're not listed publicly. You actually have to email their support at eufymake.com and ask. And here's a key point, a potential hot issue, as the article implies. Really crucial parts like hotends and extruders, the bits that actually melt and push the plastic. For the M5C especially, those might not be available, even if you go through support. It's very worrying.
It absolutely raises a serious question about product longevity and customer support, in such a fast-moving tech area. Sure, sales could maybe resume if these components suddenly become available again, but the article makes it clear it's also possible Anker just won't support these devices long-term or make new models. Imagine you invested in one for your hobby or maybe a small business, and months later, a critical part breaks and is just unobtainable. That's a real headache, a significant risk for consumers buying into these niche, fast-evolving tech markets.
Right. Now, there's one small exception mentioned. Anker's UV printer, that's the one that prints on surfaces like textiles or wood. That one's still available. It's a totally different technology from the FDM printers, the M5 and M5C. So it seems these supply issues are maybe quite isolated to their FDM line, a small bit of consistency there. So wrapping up, the key takeaway seems to be Anker's EufyMake is stepping back from the FDM 3D printer market. And the stated reason is very specific supply chain problems, not necessarily like a lack of interest or major flaws in the printers themselves.
Yeah. So what does this all mean for you listening? I think this situation really pulls back the curtain on vulnerabilities in global manufacturing, especially for products relying on niche, maybe single-source parts. It kind of prompts us to think, well, what level of future support and parts availability should we really expect? especially when we're investing in specialized tech that changes so quickly.
It definitely makes you wonder how widespread these kinds of supply chain issues might actually be across different tech sectors. It really highlights the kind of foresight needed now from manufacturers, sure, but also from us as consumers when we're deciding where to put our money in new tech. Something to think about.